In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can poke someone on Facebook. Poking someone is just a means of initiating conversation without sending a message to the person. So I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll show you how it looks. So when you poke someone, they'll receive a notification that you poked them. Likewise, when they poke you, you will also receive the same notification that you have been poked by someone. To do so, it is quite easy. Just go over to this search icon here, and then just type in poke, just like that, and then search. And then we have box option. Go ahead and tap on it. And from the list here, you can see a list of friends that I have that I can poke. So let me poke this. And as you can see, the poke has been sent. Now, because this is my account, I want to log in and show you how that notification looks like. Now here I'm logged into my account that I've just poked, and let's go to notification here. And now you can see I poked this account, and when I logged in, I received a poked notification. So that's how you can poke someone on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.